Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. Today, we are going to show you how to add a song to your Instagram profile to make it more fun and personal. Let's get started. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your picture in the bottom right. Tap Edit Profile and scroll down until you find the Music section. Now, tap Add Music to your profile. You'll see some suggested songs, but if you have a specific one in mind, just use the search bar to find it. Once you've picked your song, select the part you want to play. When you're happy with it, tap the check mark to save. And that's it. Your song is now on your profile, so anyone who visits can listen to it. If you don't see this option yet, don't worry. Instagram is rolling it out gradually, so just keep checking.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.